in this pink and white colored box, which is so cute. Now let's dive into the unboxing. So here we have some sheet masks from The Face Shop, Miniso, Innisfree and Dear Packer. Then we have a liquid lipstick from Maybelline New York, a hand cream from The Face Shop, a metallic highlighter also from Maybelline, two face masks, one from O3 Plus and the other from Plunge USA, and a perfume from Nykaa. Now let's head towards the swatches of these products. This is the Maybelline New York Sensational Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade number 8, Sensationally Me. Shop Daily Perfumed Hand Cream in the variant Cherry Blossom. These hand creams are really amazing. The next product is the O3 Plus Derma Fresh Mask. This mask feels like jelly on the skin. The next we have is a perfume by Nykaa. It has a glass packaging. The next that we have is one of the most loved products of Maybelline New York. This is the Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in the shade 050 Molten Rose Gold. This highlighter contains pigments of gold and pink. The next that we have is a face mask from Plunge USA. This is their Watermelon Glow Mask. It has a gel-like consistency and it is a hydrating glow mask. These were all the products that I received in the giveaway. I'll be sharing my reviews really soon. A big shout out to Wonderland Beauty for considering my efforts. So thank you all for watching.